Hello and welcome to this fast activity. Today we're going to make a stop motion animation. It's really exciting. We're going to need a stand or a bunch of books. This is to sit our device on. We're going to need an iPad or Android device with the application that's called stop motion. We're also going to need, I don't know, some sort of toys or some pens and paper, something that we're going to animate using our camera. All right, let's get started. So head over to the App Store, and we want to install Stop Motion Studio from the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. And we need to do this first because we have to take our photos from within the app. We can't just use our camera. Okay, so I'm ready to take my photos now. So in order to do this, what you want is good lighting. You want someone with good lighting. You want to set the scene. You want to make sure you've got something in the background. I've just printed out a sheet of paper with a road on it because I've got a little car. But anything, you want it to look nice or clear, nice and clean. The other thing, I've got my stand set up with my phone. And we need to open up the Stop Motion Studio app and we create a new movie. Now for the first shot, we're going to show the car driving around the corner, and I'm going to show you how to take the images for this first shot. So for the first shot, it's just going to be an empty screen, and I'm just going to press the red button to take the photo. Then I'm going to move the object slightly and then take another photo. And I'll continue doing this for a couple of shots. Now one of the things you can do is you've got a little slider and you can move that on the left there, and you can show the transition from the shot you've taken to the current shot, and it helps you to animate a lot more smoothly. All right, now that's the first little part of the animation there, and as you can see, it's working quite well. I'll go ahead and take photos of the rest of the movie. So I've finished taking all the shots for my movie, and I'm just going to press play and go through it and make sure everything looks okay. All right, and now we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now I'm going to record the sound effects to give the animation a bit more life. So I'm just going to hit on this record button here. All right, let's give it a go and see how it sounds. Those sounds were recorded using a little stick mixer and just some pens banging on the table. But you can use anything you like. You can speak, you can use your voice or whatever you find around the house. So now when we're happy with it, we can go over here, and now we can, if we select our movie, we can then export it and save it onto our device. And that's it. Thanks for joining us. Looking forward to seeing your creations. You can upload them onto the library Facebook page. We'd love to see them. Thank you very much.
We're going to be making some fabulous foil art. And this is what you'll need: some form of recycled cardboard. A cereal box is perfect. A selection of permanent Sharpie textures. I'd really recommend the metallic ones, they look the best. String or cotton or even wool if you have it, a pair of scissors and some aluminium foil.